United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 277, Functions of Regional Centers. The functions of such regional centers shall include, inter alia, a. Training and educational programs at all levels on various aspects of marine scientific and technological research, particularly marine biology, including conservation and management of living resources, oceanography, hydrography, engineering, geological exploration of the seabed, mining and desalination technologies. B. Management studies. C. Study programs related to the protection and preservation of the marine environment and the prevention, reduction and control of pollution. D. Organization of regional conferences, seminars and symposia. E. Acquisition and processing of marine scientific and technological data and information. F. Prompt dissemination of results of marine scientific and technological research in readily available publications. G. Publicizing national policies with regard to the transfer of marine technology and systematic comparative study of those policies. H. Compilation and systematization of information on the marketing of technology and on contracts and other arrangements concerning patents. I. Technical cooperation with other states of the region.